Hi everyone, my name is Tai, and today in this video we are going to learn how we are able to create a card visual like this one. And you can see they have individual title and also the number, and it has some special icon on the top. And if I change the number from 81 to 44, and you will notice the number change automatically. And let's see how we're able to do this one together. Let's see how we're able to do this inside here. You can see they have predefined the size for us to learn better. And we can just select that. And I want to make sure it is center aligned. I can go to home. I can go to merge and center. And same goes for the one underneath. So this will be used for the number, merge and center. Very good. So in order for me to go a bit faster, I don't need to do one by one for the remaining. I can just copy the first two and paste it and paste it. Okay, press escape without further copying. So this is the done for the overall structure. They are merge cells and center across. Okay, so this one I want to show the team name. Okay, just type equal the team name alpha, press enter, equal the score for alpha, press enter. Then the next one is bravo, equal the bravo, enter, equal the score for bravo, enter. And the next one is equal charlie, enter, equal the score for charlie, enter. Very good. And you will notice the color we are going to use is a little bit harmonious color. Harmonious color means they are in the same tone and just a different brightness. So we are able to use this one to create a much more pleasant looking visual. So for the title, for the alpha, while this is selected, I can go to the fill and line and I will choose the dark color. So okay, this is done. And at the bottom, I can select this one. I can choose this one to the light color. It's just the opposite of the black color. So same goes for the bravo. I can select the fill and I want to use the dark blue, and the one underneath I want to use a light blue, and the last one is Charlie. Charlie, I'll be using this color. Yes, this is called darker gold color. Okay, and then the one underneath I will be using the lighter gold color. And after this is done, you can observe from afar a while. You'll notice the text on the title is not readable. I select all of them. I can change the title to white color. Very good. If you want to make the small changes to make the text is even harmonious, you can change the text color to match the color on the top. So the color on the title, this is dark green. So I select the text. I will change it to dark green. So same for the dark blue for the bravo, so dark blue. And the last one is the dark gold color for the text color. Okay, good. So after this is done, I have three icons here. I want to place it side. And you'll notice it's a darker background. So if I place it above here, it's not so visible. So I will need to change the color while this is selected. And while this icon is selected, I can go to graphic. Okay, graphic format, go to graphic field, change it to white color. Okay, this is done. And I want to apply the same thing for the two of them. I can click and hold down Ctrl key to click the next one. So this is how we're able to select multiple. You can move all of them at once. And then I can go to the graphic format, change the shape to white. Okay, so let me adjust the shape, make sure they are on the side of the title. Even though you are using manual adjustment, you will notice the top part of them are not evenly aligned. So I can select the first part and hold down Ctrl key and click on next one and click on next one. So once it's selected, we go back to graphic format. This is the time we can choose align. I want to align towards the top, make sure all of them they are the same height, and I want to make sure they are distributed evenly horizontally. So this is to make sure they are evenly shown between them. Okay, so this is done and I can zoom out. So this is the whole thing and how we are able to change. If I change the alpha number from 81 to 44, you can see it changes. Bravo from 60 to 55 and Charlie back to 88. You can see everything is updated. I hope this video gives you some idea how you are able to visualize your data with a greater impact, and so that you are able to tell greater data stories with your data. And my name is Tai, and some people call me Excel Sifu. My aim here is to help you to make friends with your data.